Hello and welcome back to my channel RA Education. I am your mentor Rishba. Again I am here with very entertaining topic. Do you know? What does it mean by cosmology? So, let's get started. Dear friends, cosmology is a branch of astronomy that involves the origin and evolution of the universe. From the Big Bang to today and on into the future. According to the definition of cosmology is, the scientific study of the large-scale properties of the universe as a whole, An example of cosmology is the study of the Big Bang theory, the scientific study of the form, content, organization, and evolution of the universe. Do you know? Who is father of cosmology? Let's understand. Anaximander, 610 BC to 546 BC, was first to develop a cosmology, or systematic, philosophical view of the world because he wrote oldest prose document about the universe and the origins of life. Do you know? What are the two types of cosmology? Number 1 is physical cosmology, incorporating physics, astrophysics, and astronomy. Number 2 is religious cosmology, involving origin stories and mythologies from religious traditions. Well, that's all we have for you today. Hey, if you enjoyed this video, make sure you click down below. Subscribe to the button. Hit the notification bell. If you have any question, feel free to contact me and leave me a comment. Thanks for watching, my friends.